Hey, what's up everybody? So I saw this recipe on YouTube and it was a eggplant lasagna. Kind of got inspired by it, but there was no meat in it. So I decided I'm going to do my own little twist on that recipe and put some meat in it. I have my sauce going, right? And in my sauce, I just put some sausage meat. I'm going to let that go for a little while to flavor it up. And this is all I did for my sauce is I used this. Now typically I make my own sauce, but I figured let me do a quick version. So I like these jarred sauces that have very little sugar in it. You know, all those name brand have a lot of sugar in it, and I find these to be pretty good. So I just used one jar of that, one can of tomato sauce, and I seasoned it up, and that we're just going to let that go. So that's what we're going to do for our sauce. All right, for the eggplant itself, I got 3 eggplants here. I'm gonna peel them, and I'm gonna cut them long ways. I've got a package of chopped spinach. I'm going to put a little bit of mild provolone in it for some saltiness. Just a little bit of pecorino romano. I've got some fresh mozzarella and some bagged mozzarella. And also some ricotta cheese. Garlic. There's about, I don't know, 3 or 4 cloves in there. I'm not sure of the amount on these, so you're going to have to bear with me. And then we're going to use fresh basil. I forgot, you're also going to need 1 egg. The first step is to peel these and sprinkle them with some salt and put them on a tray so they will secrete the moisture in them, and that helps get rid of some of the bitterness. Nice peeler. By the way, these Titans, I really like. I've been using these for years. I lost it, and then I found it again on Amazon. We could take this end off. So let me get these done, and then we'll be back. Okay. So we're gonna cut the ends off. Right. This way it'll sit still. Now, you want about ½ inch. About ½ inch. All right, so I got them all sliced up. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put them on sheet pans like this. Then we're just going to sprinkle them with salt. This is kosher salt. I'm going to prop this up so it's kind of tilted, and then hopefully all the liquid will gather down here. Okay, so this is what I did. I kind of tilted it, and let's see if that helps. I mean, if not, no big deal. You could see the moisture starting to get drawn out already. Now it's going to be on to the cheese mixture. So we have some ricotta here. I think I'll just use a little bit more. Egg. I'm only going to add about a tablespoon of pecorino romano. All right, it looks like this looks like about half a cup of provolone. And about another half a cup of shredded mozzarella. Just a pinch of salt because the cheeses are salty. All right, I just wanted to mix this up. We still have other things that we're going to add. We're going to add the garlic. Put this aside. Garlic. I didn't add all of it. I'm going to add a little bit of basil. That basil. I've got some fresh oregano I'm going to add. I just remembered I had this. Add some black pepper. Add a mix. It's still a little frozen, but I'm going to let it sit here and drain. And then that'll go into that cheese mixture. All right, so we thawed and drained the spinach. Put that in. We're going to mix this up. So you can see, I don't know if you can see that. That's all the liquid that's come out. This has been about 20 minutes. All right. You can see that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take each one of those slices. I'm going to wipe them off, pat them dry, put them in a bowl, clean those pans because I need them to roast the eggplant. And now would be a good time to preheat your oven at 400. Okay, so after you dry them off, just put a little bit of olive oil on them. Just gonna give it a little squirt and then just brush it around. Alright, and now we're going to put these in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Okay, so we roasted the eggplant and now we're going to put it all together. Alright, so we're going to start with some sauce. Layer. Ooh. Okay, I lowered the temperature in the oven. And now what we're going to do is I'm going to put some of this fresh mozzarella on top. And I'm going to put it Alright. I always like to put the casserole dish on a baking sheet. Alright, we cover it. And we put it in the oven for 15-20 minutes. Alright, it's done. I'm letting it cool. And I'm guessing like any lasagna, you should let it cool for a while before you cut into it. So that's it. We got a eggplant lasagna. I'm looking forward to cutting into it. Yeah, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you again soon.